Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in Petal Card. Petal Card are legitimate payment method and credit building option. It is designed to build credit that is reported to major bureaus. To log into Petal Card, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now, go to your search bar at top and enter www.petalcard.com. Then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to Petal Card's official website. Now here you can see login option at top right section of the website. Click on login option. Then here you'll be taken to the sign in page. Now to log in, first enter your email address that you have used to create your account on the given box. Then enter your password. Make sure you enter the correct password on the given box. Now, if you want your credentials to be remembered, click on Remember Me circle. If you forgot your password, click on Forgot Password. If you are logging in for the first time and don't have an account, then you can click on the option of Create a Password. With that, click on Login after entering your all credentials. With that, you'll be logged into your Petal Card. This is how we can log in Petal Card on PC. This is it for tutorial, everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.